3, 2, 1.
What's up, everyone? Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture, June 10th, 2019. You knew it was coming. A $1,000 Litecoin, the case for a $1,000 Litecoin, and not only the case for a $1,000 Litecoin, but the case by the end of the year. It's a bullish Litecoin video. It's the target on everybody's minds if you're a Litecoin holder. Rightfully so. Here's CoinMarketCap, historical snapshot, 2013 in November, $10 Litecoin. If you would have told anybody then that Litecoin would hit all-time highs here in 2017, close to $400, many would probably have called you crazy, right? But it happened. And it's kind of what I want to talk about in this video. The fact that that happened. And in context to Bitcoin and the LTC-BTC pair, what relevance is there for Litecoin to hit $1,000 or more by the end of the year? So let's jump into the video and talk about it. First off, here's Bitcoin. The first major thing that has to happen in terms of Litecoin hitting $1,000 by the end of the year, things need to happen quicker than they happened out of the last bear market. If you look at real quick the LTC-BTC pair, there's the monthly chart. You can kind of wrap your head around that for a second, going back to May of 2013. But if you look at the LTC USD chart from that bear market swing high, right before that last halving to our most recent all-time high, there was a gap of 2 years. There was a good amount of like sideways trading, consolidation, and so we're at a similar area right before this next halving. Is there going to be 2 years of consolidation until our next all-time high bull markets? Well, sentiment is way different now. Things are moving a little bit more quickly, it seems. So the first thing that needs to happen is Bitcoin and the rest of the markets need to really move quicker than they did out of the last bear market bottom. So we have our parabolic chart for Bitcoin, our long-term parabolic chart. I put a link in the description. It discusses what you see here. But here's a $50,000 Bitcoin, $50,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2019, the end of this year. It's on the chart and it's in line. We could have a new all-time high of $50,000 for Bitcoin. I did a video on this. It's 100% possible. There could be longer-term consolidation. This might not happen, but you'd be foolish not to comprehend or at least ponder the possibilities that lie ahead in a bull market. This could be the very beginning. So that's a $50,000 Bitcoin. What does that mean for Litecoin? Well, this is what I really want to talk about. LTC-BTC pair, going back to 2013. Put your eyes on a couple different data points. Number one, this top line. The all-time high, right around 0.05 LTC-BTC pair back in November 2013. It is the most bullish of bullish targets for Litecoin. We're going to talk about that in a second, but let's talk about a more of an average target for Litecoin, which is 0.02. This area of resistance that Litecoin has really seen on the LTC-BTC pair, especially in swing highs in the top of bull markets or Litecoin runs, right? So just for instance, here's that last December 2017 bull market run, Litecoin almost hitting $400, seeing resistance at 0.02. Now, that would be our next target in terms of Litecoin to the upside, especially in a bullish environment, that 0.02. Now, for context, if Bitcoin in a bullish market reaches $50,000 Bitcoin and Litecoin, as it has done, runs up to 0.02 LTC BTC on that pair, Litecoin will be trading at $1,000 Litecoin as Bitcoin is at $50,000 Bitcoin. So that's something to keep in mind. That's extremely attainable in terms of us entering a quicker moving bull market. But I also want to throw something crazy out at you. The possibilities. I'm long on Bitcoin. I'm long on Litecoin. Why am I long on Litecoin? Because it's the most reliable, secure, quick cryptocurrency in terms of how long it's been running compared to Bitcoin, right? It is, in my opinion, the second best cryptocurrency. It's why I'm long on Litecoin. Now, what I want to talk about is Litecoin not being such an underdog. Litecoin really catching some spotlight, making some ridiculous gains on LTC BTC pair, what might that look like? Well, I want to show you something. On this is the monthly LTC BTC chart. We've already established the fact that Litecoin in 2013 was a 0.05. That could happen again, especially if the spotlight is on Litecoins, especially if Litecoin's making moves. On this monthly chart, what we have in formation potentially is one of our favorite setups, bullish setups, which is an inverse head and shoulders. We have that left shoulder, we have this head most recently formed, and interestingly enough, at the neckline is that 0.02, right? Is the case for $1,000 Litecoin. And most recently on this 50 moving average on the monthly chart, we have that previous swing low just in May, right? So we have an uptrend right now and potentially leading into, and this green box goes to the end of this year, right? So our target to the neckline at the very least is 0.02 on the LTC BTC pair. That is $1,000 Litecoin. But our target, if we get a bullish break above this inverse head and shoulders neckline, our target is actually up here at a 0.05 LTC. Talking about a 0.05 LTC on the LTC BTC pair is kind of a different video, especially in an environment if Bitcoin's trading at a $50,000 Bitcoin, what Litecoin would be trading at would be around a $2,500 Litecoin. Am I sitting here doing a video about how $2,500 Litecoin by the end of the year? Absolutely not. But that's just a glimpse of the possibilities for some ridiculous gains on Litecoin. And I wanted to just plot it out in a very simple video with very simple data that is on the chart stemming from the LTC BTC monthly to the LTC USD weekly. You see it here, and also in line with potential targets to the upside for a quick bull market all-time high by the end of this year for Bitcoin as well. A lot has to happen for that to happen, and I could do a way longer video to talk about that, but I wanted to just kind of give you the data. I wanted to see your thoughts in terms of if you think $1,000 Litecoin is possible, and do you think that will happen by the end of this year, 2019? Leave a comment below. I would love to know your thoughts. Appreciate you coming by. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the channel. I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day, and God bless.